Hi folks, I just want to give you a tour of my drip water system. Here it is what it looks like, the big picture. Now I'd like to take you and show you the system itself. First of all, I have a 100-gallon tank, and this 100-gallon tank is filled periodically by my sprinkler system. So you can see it goes up. There's a hose connecting the white line, and what I have inside is it's actually a toilet used for the toilet bowl. It's got a ball and a valve on it, so when it gets to a certain level, in this case 70 gallons, it will shut off, and then the rest of the water will time out and sprinkle my lawn. It drains in the bottom here, and you can see the pipe going across, comes up here, and what I do is have a small orifice in there, and you can see the water draining into what I call the surge. And this is a teeter-totter, and what I'm using is a bell siphon on the bottom, and I'll pull this off. There's my standpipe, and inside here I have a closed tube with some slots on the bottom. And what happens is that once the water gets above the height of the standpipe, atmospheric pressure is greater on the water surface area of the water, and it pushes water into the standpipe, and then of course it drains into my system. Okay, but the problem I had when I first did it is I just dribbled the water in, and of course when I just dribbled the water in, I never got enough volume or flow to start the siphon. So what I did is I put this surge on it, and it simply fills water up until it reaches a equilibrium, past equilibrium, and this dumps a large amount of water into the tank at one time, and this flow rate is enough to create the surge. Of course, it doesn't do it until the water level is basically to the top of this cap here, or to the top of the standpipe. And then the next time it does it, I add all of a sudden about a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch depth of water, and there's enough volume to raise it a 1/2 inch, raise the water level 1/2 inch, and all it does is simply do this. And of course, once it starts, then it takes about 4 minutes then for the surge to empty out 15 gallons. The water comes around here and down into my manifold. And it's, pretty barbaric. It's nothing fancy. But what I had to do is have enough volume there to handle the 15 gallons of the tank. Now I don't have, this is roughly 8 gallons that this 4-inch pipe holds. But then there's another 3 gallons, 4 gallons in the line. But the flow rate is enough where it can empty out the system handles the 15 gallons in 4 minutes. And then I have holes then, and you can't see them, but there are holes underneath here. So for every set of plants, then when it starts, I start dripping water. And it takes about 3, like I said, there is it's almost at 1/8 inch hole, and the flow, once it starts, lasts for about 4 minutes. And right now, its system is working such that I have water coming out even at the end of the line as well as the top of the line. You'll notice I connect the pipes. I just want to make sure that if one pipe is filling up sooner than the other, that the excess flow goes into the other pipe. Alright, that's it for the drip water system. You'll notice I also have a fence around here because we have a lot of deer, and in fact earlier today there was one just by the 2 birch trees there staring at me while I was working. Thank you.